Hello, it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday challenge to use products and papers and whatnots and embellishments and inks and sprays and splatters and mixed media, watercolor, stencils, whatever is on your desk that you haven't put away, that you used on previous projects. This is what I grabbed off my desk, and I think this makes layout number 4 using what's off my desk based on the Mini Kit Monday challenge. Actually, it might be layout number 5 because I did a collaboration hop in which I used product off my desk. Anyhow, let's get to this project right here. So this is a photograph of my granddaughter, first day of 4th grade, and she's an 8th grader now, and she's going to be a high schooler next year. But anyhow, I got this off of Instagram, and I am going to document this memory of her first day as a 4th grader. And I have a lot of scrap papers here. I am going to use the Wildflower and Honey Alpha Set. On my desk was this butterfly from the Vicki Boutin Storyline collection, and I think this little ticket is from that collection, and possibly My Happy Place is from that collection. This scrap paper is from a Vicki Boutin collection, but I don't think it's the Storyline collection. It could be. I have this fun paper of triangles in different colors going different directions, and it came off a paper pad, and it's, I think, a Valentine collection, but I'm going to use it for this side. And then I have this mint color paper from cardstock paper from Close to My Heart, and it is not a full 12 by 12 going both directions. Nope, just one. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. Maybe just use it for matting my photograph. Now for scrap papers, we have this red paper here, which this is from a Chamel collection. I can tell. This is from a Vicki Boutin collection, this orange paper. This yellow star paper is from a Vicki Boutin collection. I'm going to guess that this is from Color Study collection. This is from Dear Lizzie. It was from a 7 by 8 paper pad, and that's a scrap. I have that scrap. I have 2 tags, and I have a library card. So that is what's on my desk that I selected. Plus I have watercolor paints, ink pads, and I've showed this before, sorry for my arm reaching, and then I have my whatnots in here. I have white acrylic pieces from Close to My Heart that are buttons, flowers, hearts, and stars. Then we have flare buttons. I have a metal piece right here. Then I have really a lot of miscellaneous whatnots in here that I just throw in. I have a few jewel diamond cut buttons. I've got, just notice that. I've got these vellum pieces here, and one is actually colored. I could use this one. Look at that. And that flower. All right. So that's what's in there, and there's a few enamel dots in there. Then we have some wood veneer in here, and then again, I always keep these little bit of, I restock this little cubby of wood veneer when it gets low. Same with this acrylic pieces, and this time I just stocked it all with the white ones. Then this little cubby section in my swirly thing is of, again, embellishment pieces I didn't use from various layouts. See, there's a thin vellum piece. I don't know why I'm attracted to the yellow. Ooh, look at this. Here's a, or the vanilla, blah, 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 Dolly. I'm not sure why I'm attracted to the vellum all of a sudden. And then I have, ooh, look at this, a chipboard piece. I see that. I'm gonna grab it right now. Let's see. Anyway, I'll be grabbing out of this. Enough of that. Let's create this layout. I'll be right back. Now let's review how I put this layout together. So in the beginning, I showed you I had that mint cardstock. I cut 2 inches by 12 inches. And at the top, I let a 1/2 inch show and a 1/4 inch show at the bottom. Next, I had this long piece here that is, let's see, it is 1, 2, 3 inches, and it was by 12, and I cut it down to 10 inches. And I placed it over here to the right. And then this scrap paper here, which is a tone-on-tone red pattern paper with dashes, left it at its original size and tucked it under. And this yellow with the white stars, all I did was cut off the little branding strip that was left over. It was a piece of scrap, and placed it over here at 4 inches, and then it went 1, 2, 3, 4 1/4. So it's 4 1/4 wide. I don't remember how long it is tucked underneath the photograph. The orange paper I did trim down to create a mat for my photograph, and then I took a little strip and placed it right above the red paper here. Then remember I had that that's almost like a leopard print, I think is what you would refer to, or yeah, leopard print, and it's a tone-on-tone blue paper, and I think that's an older Amy Tan paper, not 100% positive, and I just tucked it underneath my photo mat, which it goes all the way down here, but it's covered up because I placed that life card that was on my desk that I put together for this little page kit. Everything was on my desk. Then remember that little twirly thing that I showed? In that was this photo frame of stars, and tucked it underneath there. Then, oh, remember I found that butterfly, and so I chose to use this butterfly instead of that butterfly. I could have made them both work, but I chose just to keep it simple here. And then I placed this ticket here and another piece of that scrap paper here. I didn't trim this one. I still had this little tiny scrap. Place this little ticket on top, and it says Admit 1. It says Life Adventures. Then from my little swirly thing of whatnots, I placed that flare button. And then washi tape. Yes, I almost forgot. So I have this metallic washi tape, and I placed a strip up there. And then I placed this other strip. This is what I would call like an emerald green. This is, you can really tell that's emerald green, and this is kind of just a matte finished emerald green, and place that strip down here. I did not use this scrap paper here from, I think it's a Dear Lizzy, or is it Maggie, or not Maggie Holmes, Amy Tan. It's either Dear Lizzy or Amy Tan. I think it's Dear Lizzy. I didn't use any of it. I did use a lot of the Wildflower and Honey Alpha and Icon puffy stickers from Vicki Boutin. I think they call it, what did I tell you in the beginning of the video? I do have the little strip here. Truly Grateful. But it came out with the Wild and Flower Honey collection. I have my title that came from here, Rise and Shine. This cute little bird. Love the color, the hearts, these little dots. There's one right there, or two, green and orange, another green, and then there's an orange here. And this is a mushroom that's part of this kit, and I just placed it sideways. Love that. And then for my final touch, I added Dylusion Shimmer Spray in Pure Sunshine. And I added some right there, which kind of looks a little yellow. There's a tiny bit right up here. There's some over here, and it's more orangey. This is more yellow against the red. This is more orangey. And down here, it's more orangey. And this layout's complete. Yay! I know I've created 6 layouts so far using the stash and products that were on my desk. Thanks for stopping in. Most of all, get out your scrappy supplies, document those memories in a fun, creative way, give a thumbs up, keep coming back, and we will see you real soon. Bye.